Hi everyone. The sleek Harley-Davidson ROAD GLIDE ST model projects the attitude of the Screamin Eagle Factory championship-winning bike and backs it up with the street-scorching power of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain. Undiminished rider comfort and the shark nose fixed fairing appeals to a rider who wants to make quick work of the open road. The Great American Touring Class to return with the latest generation. What improvements has Harley made for the new model? A new design, luxury, comfort, and driving toughness. Although in this segment, the update is almost the same as the Street Glide ST. Updates globally will be different West Coast style blacked out everything front, controls, powertrain, and exhaust. The gold color design is more luxurious, namely the pushrod tube, tappet cover, and engine cylinder fins. Take on long journeys with the Sport Touring, position standard bag height for a sleek look and more room to lean back. The line design on the side bag undergo an update to differentiate it from the older model. The unique design is history until now. Fixed shark nose fairing mounted on the frame is a differentiator from its competitors. This makes Harley dare to offer according to what has been created. Harley engineers have used premium paint materials to create unique colors to present a luxurious impression and an extraordinary difference. Available colors for the 2023 ROAD GLIDE ST model: vivid black and white sand pearl. Is the top speed ROAD GLIDE ST and Street Glide ST the same? The most striking difference is the fairing. The Street Glide ST has a batwing fairing, a classic Harley-Davidson design, mounted on the fork. In contrast, the ROAD GLIDE has a frame-mounted shark nose fairing, and the handlebars and fork rotate within the frame. The top speed produced by the two is the same. The 2023 Harley-Davidson ROAD GLIDE ST's top speed is 130 miles per hour. How much horsepower does the Harley-Davidson ROAD GLIDE ST have? The 2023 HD ROAD GLIDE ST produces 131 foot-pounds of torque and 121 horsepower with the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. Why is the horsepower generated by the ROAD GLIDE ST and Street Glide ST different? The difference in horsepower could be due to the use of other fairings for the two motorbikes. The right fairing can increase the motorcycle's top speed and improve acceleration at higher speeds. Are ROAD GLIDE ST and Street Glide ST engines the same? Both sports touring vehicles use the same engine, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin with new torque and displacement peaks with the factory-installed powertrain. Precision oil, air cooling, 126 feet-pounds torque at 3,750 RPM. The tuned heavy-breathing intake and high-flow exhaust maximize engine performance, a boost you can feel with every throttle twist. The 2023 Harley-Davidson ROAD GLIDE ST, long-distance riding with sports touring, is the right bike for long-distance riders with high performance, outstanding strength and comfort, and a classic touring design with premium features. Which is more comfortable, ROAD GLIDE ST or Street Glide ST? Grand American Touring has proven a classy driving experience. The weights owned by both Street Glide ST weight 778 pounds, as shipped, and ROAD GLIDE ST weight 806 pounds, as shipped. 2023 ROAD GLIDE ST and 2023 Street Glide ST, a taste comparison. Because both have the same two colors and the same price, the specifications offered by the two are almost the same. The Street Glide offers greater agility. The ROAD GLIDE offers greater rider comfort thanks to the fairing design and seat height. 2023 ROAD GLIDE ST prices. US MSRP price, $29,999 to $30,749 US. Canada MSRP price, $37,799 to $38,749 CDN. Europe, UK MSRP price, £29,895 to £30,335, on the road incorporated 20% VAT. 2023 Harley-Davidson ROAD GLIDE ST features and benefits. Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin. The pinnacle of torque and displacement with precision oil, air cooling, delivering 126 feet-pounds of torque at 3,750 rpm. Tuned heavy breather intake and high-flow exhaust maximize engine performance, a boost you can feel with every twist of the throttle. Fixed shark nose fairing. This frame-mounted fairing keeps the head buffeting at bay, with a design that is unmistakably Harley-Davidson. Blacked out everything. Front end, controls, powertrain and exhaust. The only bright bits are pushrod tubes and tappet covers, and machined cylinder fins. Premium infotainment. Boom Box GTS infotainment system with color touchscreen, 2 fairing mount speakers and hidden radio antenna. Sport touring profile. Standard saddlebags and raised suspension give you more room to lean. 2023 Road Glide ST customization packages. Long haul package, chrome. Add a seat and grips ready for any climate and the ability to quickly attach luggage and more with the chrome long haul package. Long haul package, black. Add a seat and grips ready for any climate and the ability to quickly attach luggage and more with the black long haul package. Empire package, black. With the Black Empire custom package from HD Genuine Parts and Accessories, get a perfect balance of bagger performance and style for the rider who wants a little extra of both. Empire package, machine cut. With the machine cut Empire custom package from HD Genuine Parts and Accessories, get a perfect balance of bagger performance and style for the rider who wants a little extra of both. 2023 Harley-Davidson ROAD GLIDE ST key features. Upright riding position. Floorboards. Saddlebags. Frame-mounted fairing. Infotainment. Rider safety enhancements available. Performance-hungry distance riders. Enthusiasts seeking standout power and comfort. Classic touring design with premium HD features. Thanks for watching.